at the time when we introduced it, there was very little training happening internally at Jade. It was our first initiative that we rolled out to test and trial how the organisation would respond to it. And we did it very simply. We put out an email and a Teams message around, we've got a new offering that we'd like to test and trial. The executive have been through it. We really enjoyed it. We think there's a lot of value from it. Would there be interest from people to do a pilot session? And very quickly we said we'd take 12, very quickly filled that 12. We ran that training. We did an EMPS or an MPS after that to see how it had landed. And by memory, I think we got a score in the high 80s from an MPS perspective. And then we shared that with the organisation and said, look, we've piloted it. It worked really well for 12 people. We'd like to open it out wider. And I think we put out 3 more dates, and all of those dates filled very quickly. And for us, it was really word of mouth. And even now, when we run the training, and I'll often start with kind of talk to me about why you're here at the start of the 2 days. And it's always, well, I've heard from such and such, or this training gets talked about so highly, or someone has told me that I need to go on this. Like it really does become a word of mouth thing, because I think people, after they've been through the training, really do engage with it. So we do very little marketing now internally. We just put out the dates that it's going to be run, and it always gets filled. We don't have any issue getting those numbers on board, because it has just become a way of working at Jade. Our only ask to the first 12 who came along to that pilot session was, please go back and talk to your teams about it. Let them know the good, the bad and the ugly around how you experienced it, so that if we run some more, there's already kind of a bit of dialogue and a bit of understanding around what actually happened in the 2 days. And that really worked for us. It really is our people champion the course.